Back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and be sure to hit that subscribe and bell notification button so that you are notified every single time that I post. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my turmeric foaming scrub. It's a sugar scrub. It's great for hyperpigmentation. It exfoliates, it moisturizes, and it cleanses the skin. So after you get out the shower, you don't have to put on lotion or anything. But you can, but you really don't need to after using this scrub. So if you want to add this to your business or just try it as a DIY, just keep on watching. So everything you see in the video is sanitized and clean. My desk area, as well as my utensils. The utensils like the butter knife and the spoon that you're going to see in the video, I got those from the 99-cent store. This butter knife came in a pack of, I think, 5 or something like that, for if you are a single and you live by yourself and don't have no family or anything like that. It came like that. It was like $5. My spoon, the metal spoon, was like $2.99, and then my bowl, I think, was $2.99 as well. And then I have a plastic bowl set, exactly how this bowl is that you guys see in a video, because I make scrubs, I make shea butter and all that stuff. You guys don't see me transferring everything into the other bowls because this is old footage and I don't have everything, so I'm just showing you guys, the basics of how I do it. But I'm going to have an updated video for you guys. But that bowl set, it was like $4.99, and you get way more stuff. And I got that from the 99-cent store, not Dollar Tree, not the Bargain Basement, not Dollar General, the 99-only-cent store. And they have a lot of stuff that you can use to make skincare or whatever for your business. I was also thinking about trying putting the scrub into my lip gloss filler machine, but I didn't do that because I just think it would be really hard to clean and it might get clogged up. But yeah, I'm just mixing everything in, my oils, my sugar, and all that good stuff. I did add a preservative. The preservative that I use is Germall or something like that. I'll leave it in the description. But you can use that, Octafin, and this other one. I can't say the name. I'm just going to leave everything in the description. And all I did was added 10 drops to this one. When I'm making a big batch, I use 30 because it all depends on your mixture. This mixture doesn't have any water in it, but I add the preservative in because people are going to be using this in the shower and stuff. And you don't want water to get in this because it will make bacteria. Well, yeah, it will make bacteria. So the preservative is just so that it won't go bad in case water does get into it. Also, the base that I use, it has its own preservative, but you have to preserve your oils, your sugar, and the turmeric. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys really quickly why I don't pipe it anymore, because look how messy it is. I had changed my gloves like 3 times that day, and then I'm just showing you guys that I had to make more of the mix to add on top. I usually like for it to have a gradient effect, but I just spoon it in now and then add the white base on top. It does have a tint to it all the time anyway, because I do add turmeric on top of the white anyway, and then I swirl it around. So it's okay if it looks how it looks in the video, because you're going to add turmeric on top of it. Well, I am. So yeah, you guys, if you have any questions for me or any video suggestions or anything like that, leave them down in the the comment box for me. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos and support my small business. I'll have that linked in the description as well. I'm sorry if I'm rambling or all out of whatever, but yeah, you guys can really have fun with this DIY as well as add it to your business. You can add whatever ingredients you want to. I add shea butter to all my ingredients, well, all my skincare products. I'm thinking about changing my formulas and only using mango butter, since people don't like the smell of shea butter all the time, and then they have nut allergies. So I don't know, I might be changing my formula in the near future, but I haven't been having any issues with people purchasing my scrub. This is actually my best seller over my body butters that I sell. I always sell out of my turmeric scrub. You can also add fragrance to these. I don't add fragrance to my body scrub because people do have allergies and sensitive skin to fragrances. But if my customer asks like, oh, I want mango or the other scents that I make for my body oils, then I always make, you know, a special order for them. But this is usually unscented, so if a customer orders it, it's more than likely unscented. And I'm just cleaning off the rim with a sanitizing wipe. I got those as well from the 99-cent store, the 99 only cent store. And then when I'm done with my scrub, I give them a bath like you would do your lip gloss or any other items that you use for your business. I do that, but I make sure the top is on really tight. And you guys see that it has turmeric on the top. It's because I add turmeric to the container and I shake them. I do sanitize these as well. I'm just saying because people are weird on YouTube and they swear everybody who has a small business is dirty or something. But yeah, you guys, if you made it this far into the video, leave me an orange heart emoji and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave me down more video suggestions. Bye.